So Temu is literally everywhere at the moment, and I wanted to try it out for myself. So I placed a $350 order, which is in these bags, and there's also one more which is the biggest and the most expensive, but we'll save that to the end. So first of all, thanks to Temu for sponsoring the video and sending these products out. So Temu promote affordable prices with high quality items. They've also got sales with up to 90% off, but probably best for me is the free shipping with 90 days return policy, and they also accept all of the major credit cards. They have also given me a 30% off discount code for you guys, and the link is down in the description. If we start with the bigger box, so we'll start with this one here. So the first item in the list is the vinyl wrap. This was £7.59 on Temu for the whole roll. And what this is for people that want to change their kitchen worktop and not actually change it. So you just stick this over the top. Now I haven't actually bought this for my kitchen, but I bought it for the bar outside. So we'll have to see if it works. I'm not sure if it was the right thing to buy, but we will find out. So next up, we've got an RGB LED light. Now this is actually like the Nan Light Power Tube, which costs about £90. But this one, let me just double check. This was actually 43, so under half the price of that. So I'm hoping this one is going to be good. So this is great for people that do photography or video and you want a bit of extra lighting in there. Just open it up. So it looks, we've got a nice carry case there. That looks fine. Feels good quality if I just take this off. We've also got a tripod on the bottom here. It's got a tripod on the bottom and the top, so plenty of options there if you want to put it on a tripod. Even comes with this little stand. Put it there, so we'll just try it out. Turn it on. That on. There we go. So we're on a flashing mode. Oh, but you can see it is very bright. It is very bright there. Just change the modes. So that's on max brightness there, and it is actually very bright, but if we just cycle through a few of the modes, got flashing modes, solid modes, and you can change the color of it as well. So next up, we've got these lovely pair of shoes here. Just get them open. Now these were just incredibly cheap. I think, let me double check. Shoes, these were £6.19. Basically, my old sliders broke and I used them for outdoors. So these are back garden shoes. They're not going to be to everyone's taste, that's for sure, but they're a little bit different and I'm only going to use them in the garden. But to be fair, for £6.50, they're good quality, good enough. So I'll get some use out of those. So next in the box, we've got another bag. There's a few items in here. Just open it up. We start with this one. So there we have some sunglasses. These were £2.49. We just open them up. To be fair, they're just plastic sunglasses. They fit fine. For £2.49, you really can't complain. I mean, the sunglasses, they look good. Nothing else to say about those. Next in the packaging, 46-piece tool set. So the reason I got this is we were doing something the other day and I didn't have a socket set. And then I saw this, so I thought I'd buy it. And it wasn't very expensive. It was £12.69. Open it up. So you get plenty of sockets to choose from. Small ratchet there. I did actually think it was going to be a little bit bigger when I ordered it, but still does the job. Plenty of sockets in there, so it should be fine for any job next time. Next in the packaging, I'll pull them both out at the same time. I can see them. So, oh, one's fallen out. Where is he? So these Bluetooth wireless keyboards. How much were they? So one was £6.50 and the other was £6.99, so very cheap. But what they are is basically a Bluetooth remote control. You've got all the navigation buttons on them, you've got a keyboard to type, and then you've also got this tracker pad here if you want to use a mouse. So it's great if you're using something like an Android box, or maybe using your laptop from a distance. Or I actually purchased one of these for my outdoor Android TV when we're watching that outside, and the other ones for my indoor TV because currently I use a full screen keyboard. But both of them look good. For £6.50 and £6.99, you really can't complain with that. So a little bit less exciting here, we've got a USB cable, a nice bright orange one. So if I just open this one up, I did buy a couple of USB cables. There we go. So this one is the triple cable. So USB-A one end, the other end we've got lightning port, mini USB, and a USB-C. So I actually got this for my car, so I just think whatever I've got in the car I can charge it. Got a nice thick rubbery cable there, so that's not going to get damaged. Metal connections at the end. Overall looks good quality, and this one was actually £2.99. So for £3, you really can't complain with that. And of course, all these prices are the cost delivered. Going to the next one. So this is the RGB strip light. So I'm sure most of you have seen them before. They're just LED strips. You plug them in and you can make some mood accent lighting wherever you want. This one was £2.99. So it's the cheapest LED strip I've ever bought. Just check, does it say the size? I can't remember. It's 5 volt. I'll double check and correct if I'm wrong, but I think it's a 5-meter strip. It's a very thin strip with some small LEDs. So this is probably going to be good for something if you've got tight space to put it in. But for £2.50, hopefully it works, so we'll just take a look. Alright, so that seems to be it for that bag. Have we got anything else in here? Oh, here we go. So this one is a Zomi professional tripod, and this one was actually £43.40. And the reason I bought this is because my other tripod's going, and the tripod I do have, which my camera's currently on, this looks exactly the same as it, and I paid £100 for this one. So again, this is under half the price. So hopefully it's good quality. So I get a nice carry case there. If we just open it up and have a look. Oh, so slightly different than I thought it was going to be, but nice thick metal on here is definitely not going to be a problem. Oh, and actually the clips are better than my current one, so I'll probably switch to this as my main tripod for now. Let me just check at the top. Get this open. Not sure why it's covered in that. So you get a ball connector as well, so you can move your camera around. I'm not sure if that's in frame, so I'll just pull it down. So it comes with a ball connector on top. Move that around as you need. And you got the extension there to go up. And of course, does that go up as well? Oh, that goes down, so if you need it down. And then of course you've got the legs that come out with these on there. So you can go nice and big there. But to be fair, for the price of that for £43.40, I'd say that's good value, and I'm definitely going to be using that one. So if I just put that down there, in the next package. Oh, so I know what this is. So there's not actually too much tech in it today because I wanted to order a range of stuff. So this here, oh no, there's two things in here. Got another USB cable first, so we'll start with this before we open the box. Do not want to lose that. Right, so this one is similar to the other. You just unwrap it. Double check the price of this. This was £2.50. So it's a USB-A on the one end. Then the other end, you've got these magnetic connectors. So you can see I've got the USB. Oh, no. So you can see I've got the micro USB there. Oh, they're stuck together. Lightning cable there. USB-C there. Now the only thing I'm worried about is these end connectors are very small, so if I lose one of them, it's not going to be that good, but then they do stick together like that, so hopefully that will work out okay. And then next, before we get on to the final product, we've got a drill. So I was having issues with the drill the other day, and this came up on Temu, and it was actually £34.98, which is pretty cheap. It's a 48 volt drill. I've opened it the wrong way, which is not ideal. Losing stuff. So we've got one battery with it. Got the charger for the battery here. We've also got a few sockets and tools in here. Oh, we've also got some drill bits as well. So it comes with 4 drill bits. Instruction manual. Oh no, it comes with more than 4 drill bits. They've just fallen out. Oh, they've just fallen out where I've opened it upside down. So you actually get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drill bits plus plenty of other tools in there. We'll just go ahead and see if it works. So hopefully the battery's charged. There we go. So all seems to be working. We'll take this outside actually, because there is some drilling I need to do on the garage wall. So we'll see if it works. But overall, I mean, for 35 quid, if you do need a drill and you don't want to spend loads of money, I know some people will only spend a lot of money on tools. But if you only do a bit of work and need a cheap drill, that should do the job. Now finally, the last thing I purchased. Most expensive one. This came at £100. I don't know if you can guess what it is yet. It's going to be a bit difficult to open, so I'm just going to fast forward this bit. Oh. Here you are. It's a guitar. Now I haven't played the guitar for a long time. It's a 3/4 size acoustic guitar, so hopefully it's not been damaged in transit, because it's got a long way to come from China. But we'll open it up and have a look. Oh, it comes with a carry case as well. Let me take that out. Nothing in there. Cardboard away. It's not a full-size acoustic. There we go, it seems to be intact. Obviously we've got the paper over the strings. I haven't played the guitar for a long time, but I thought I'd try and learn again. So of course with this one, I'll have to tune it out before I give any comments on it. But looking at it, there's no damage to it. Got a nice solid neck there, good quality. Of course I don't know much about guitars, but it seems alright, it seems well built. So I'm gonna have to tune it up and have a go, and then I'll come back to you. So the guitar's all tuned now, and as I said, I don't really know anything about guitars, I can't play it either. But it does sound okay to be fair, so we'll just have a listen. So again, I don't know much, but for £100, it's a good starter guitar. So if you want to learn the guitar, not a bad choice if you just want something to start. So that's it for today's video. So it was a bit of a random haul, but I just wanted to get some different products to see the quality of each thing, rather than just getting a bunch of tech in that I've seen already. But overall, the quality is good on all of the items. They were incredibly cheap. And as I said, there's a 30% off discount code in the description, as well as all of the items I've just purchased. And when using Temu, the website's good, but I found it much easier to scroll through on the app, and it gives you loads of recommendations and stuff you're searching for. When it comes to the range, they do sell pretty much anything. In terms of delivery times, I ordered all this stuff and it came. They did come in 3 different packages, but they all came within about a week and a half. So it's not the long 30 days wait that we used to have when ordering things from China. But overall, I'm very happy with the service, happy with the quality, and I'll definitely use Temu again. Now, of course, if you've got any questions, then just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.